wanna cook up now, oh. You wanna cook your pussy, oh. You wanna cook it for it, oh. Call the mommy, oh. She go run it, oh. Oh yeah, rice, spice me the time and beef. I'ma kick ass fish, oh yeah, which kind dish? Shoot the pepper, how food go fine like this. And the dick can come with every time. Welcome back to our cookies channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We will be making this chicken today. As you can see, I'm not home. So yeah, just making this chicken. Okay, so we'll remove as many dirty that we can remove. This egg part, I will also remove all the dirty that follow. I just want to do this one first, so when I'm washing it, now I'll be taking all those dirty off. Now I'll remove as many skin that I can also. Okay. 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 So we're actually doing two. I'll do the same one. It's just the same thing I did for the other one. Pressing it, remove this kind of part of it, and then cut here, break it and make it flat. This is small chicken, but very strong. You be careful when you are cutting chicken like this, because all these bone, they are very sharp. So we done cleaning the chicken. I will just add that 1 cup of water. So this is curry and seasoning, salt and black pepper. I'll be putting it inside that water. Okay, so this, I have 3 scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll be putting this rosemary. If you have the dry one, you can use it. That's the onion, spring onions, and onions. Okay, so this is the chicken, how I cut them. So just put them inside a pot. Hey, this is the biggest pot for where I am. So just put them inside, and I will be adding more water for it to be covered together, so that it won't be as if the down chicken take everything. Yes. Yeah, I think it's okay like that. Just cover it. Wait for it to boil for like 15 minutes. This is how the chicken look like 10 minutes after. And I will not be waiting for 15 minutes before doing it. This stove is pretty fast, so I will just do it now. So this is soy sauce and teriyaki mixed together. I'll just be spreading some inside. You don't really need too much, just give some little bit mix. You can use barbecue sauce if that's what you have, what is available for you.
Okay, so this is paprika. Remember, paprika is not like a pepper that's hot. It's just to give flavor and some color. Okay, it's not as spicy, just kind of. I'm still going to use my hand massage it, and if you want to do that too, even if you are wearing glove, this bone can go through the glove and hurt you. But I don't have gloves here. Hey, now just be careful when doing that. Like this. Be careful, especially the bone cut part. Okay, see the chicken like a bed. Okay, so I will just transfer them here. Okay, let me change this way. Okay, and slice one whole full onions under, medium size onions. Actually, I already used half one to parboil it. Already preheat the oven. I will just put the chicken inside now, and I set it for 18 minutes. Okay, just like this. This is how the chicken look like so far. It smells very good, very good. Okay, we can't control it, so we'll give time for it to dry. Wow, the chicken is so colorful. I love it. The smell is just the best of the best. Dry chicken. Okay, see, I off it like 5 minutes ago. Just wait for it to like a little bit cool down, but it's still hot, still very hot. Not eating chicken today, right? Oh yeah. Very good. This is the last part of our video for today. Please try yours and let us know. Got a little tiny chicken like mine. Bye.